Alright, I wasn't planning on making a video about my dinner tonight, but this is the best freaking granola ever. And I've never done a video on it, so I want to share the best freaking granola ever with you. The reason why I know it's the best freaking granola ever is because when I make it, people in my house steal it. So I have to hide it. Otherwise, when I want to take it, there's none left. And the reason why I made this batch is because right now Connecticut is in the lockdown for the coronavirus. And I was thinking, as we were we're not preppers, but we're prepped. So I figured at any point we could always live a month or two with what we have in the house. But with everything going on, we did a little bit more prepping. And I started thinking of, things that I should buy. And all of a sudden I realized, like, every recipe that I have on this channel is the perfect sort of prepper sort of thing. It's all ingredients that don't spoil, it's easy to make, add water, done. So I decided to mix up a big batch of my best freaking granola ever. And I thought this was, not only is it great for backpacking, this is actually supper. I'm eating it for supper. You can eat it as a trail snack, you can eat it for breakfast, you can eat this all day. This could be the only thing you eat all day. So it's great for backpacking, it's great for prepping, it's great for surviving the coronavirus lockdown. And if you are watching this video 5 years from now, hopefully you and your family made it through and everybody's safe. I know it's getting pretty scary around here. This is probably the last day that I'm getting out before really just hunkering down inside. Alright, anyway, alright, so let's bring it back to the granola. So, I don't know if you can kind of see, I'll put a spoonful out. How's that? Can you get a sense of that? So let me tell you what goes into this granola. First thing is you're going to put in 2 cups of rolled oats. And then the next thing that I add is coconut milk powder. And if I'm doing a big batch of this, like if I'm going to bring it for a couple meals, I generally will put the coconut milk powder separately, but otherwise you can just mix it in. So I mixed in about 3 tablespoons or so. The other thing I'll put in is a 1.5 cups of raisins. And I should add, what I'm doing right now is, this is not for one meal, this is for a big batch. So this is a 3,600 calories it'll all add up to. The next thing I'll add is 1 cup of peanuts. The next thing that I will add is 4 tablespoons of sunflower seeds. I'll add a cup of banana chips. I'll add a few tablespoons or a handful of walnuts. I'll add in some cranberries, or if I want to make it more nutritious and I think a little bit better, is I'll add in about a 1/2 cup of mulberries. And then if you really want to make it complete nutrition, you can add in a couple of scoops of amazing grass green superfood. You can add in your own greens, or you can just skip it. Now, when you mix this all together, you get 3,600 calories worth of food. It's going to weigh under 2 pounds, so this is going to come in, my last batch weighed about 25, 26 ounces, and it's going to cost under $7 for all of this. The other thing that I did when I was originally starting to make this back whenever is that I thought to myself, alright, if I did have to through hike, what could I throw together from a dollar store that's completely nutritious? And so basically all of these ingredients, we don't have Dollar Generals where I live, but we have Dollar Trees. And so you could walk into a local Dollar Tree and get all of these ingredients except for the amazing grass green superfood. But you can get all the other ingredients from a dollar store around here. So it is absolutely delicious. I highly recommend it. I don't know what it is about this combination of things, but sometimes, it's like sometimes you can make a chocolate chip cookie and it's just okay, and other times you just nail it with the recipe. This is the best freaking granola ever. Give it a try. And the fact that it is like completely nutritious, it has almost all of your daily requirements in it, makes it even better. I will put the recipe in the description. I will put the nutrition for this in the description, and make it and enjoy.